Metomi fún mi o, Olúwarun, kẹ́tọ̀ mi má dùn mí o. Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn, bàbá Metomi o. Ohun yẹn kígbà mi sàn mi, kígbà àwọ̀ mi ṣe lóore. Oh, yeah. Baba, yeah. Can you stand it? Oh yeah. Beep on you body. Oh Remy, yeah. Can you stand it? Oh. Bomi, yeah. Baba, you reckon, can you bear it? Oh Remy.
Ready? John! Captain! No movement. Sir! Permission, sir! You all must be willing to give your country the very best. You are young and vibrant. You are mentally and physically fit. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And why is your suddenly falling?
Sorry, sir.
And why are you putting on the jeans to the parade ground? Is that the way to wear the cap?
Sorry, sir.
None of you must ask what the country has to do for you. You must ask yourself, what are you ready and willing to do for your country? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And why are you not putting on a jacket?
Sorry, sir.
Be fast.
Yes, sir.
Where's your face cap?
I forgot it in the room, sir.
Tomorrow I do not want to hear that again.
Yes, sir.
Sergeant! Sir! You may carry on. Sir! Permission to carry on, sir! Mora!
Hey!
Mora!
Hey!
Mora!
Hey!
Are you good to go?
Good to go, sir.
Are you good to go?
Good to go, sir.
Are you good to go?
Good to go, sir.
Will you jump? Amato! Steady! Mind the front, short step, jogger, make it! Oh!
Pull that back! Come on, pull it! Pull it! Come on, man! Pull it! Pull it! Come on, guys! Pull it!
Careful. Oh my God. Careful. Oh, Anuwa, are you okay?
Yeah, my dog.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
For sure. Like you can say, she's fine. You can go. Sorry, darling.
Yeah,
but you have to be careful.
No, thank you.
Go, she's fine. Thank you. What's with him?
Good day, students.
Good day, sir.
Good day, students.
Good day, sir.
My name is Metomi Gorilla. I'm a youth corper, as you can all see, and I've just been posted here to perform my youth service to serve my nation. And it is also my honor to be standing before you lads to do some teaching. I have heard so much about this school, Igbobi College. Like I said, it is my honor standing before you guys. By the way, how many of you can sing the school anthem? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, I'm blushing. Okay, let's give it a try. You. What is your name?
My name is Olumide Oshodi Glover.
Okay, go. Let's go. Shoot.
Teach me the best that other world may know what it is to have come from thee. Teach me that I into the world may go, struggling never for thy fame. Igbo, give me a touch, we shall shine. Upon all our far and near, each way there's divine. Let hills and vales this tidings bear, wherever there is an Igbo band, there also is a noble Nigeria.
Did you get it? Yes, sir. Give him a round of applause. It's always good you rep where you belong. Now to the business of the day. I'll be taking you on security and insurance. Either it is in commerce, economics. As a matter of fact, security is number one for any nation. Any nation that does not invest in security. What I mean by invest in security means any nation that does not invest in research, in students, lecturers, doctors, and professors, is in trouble. Any nation that depends on the security idea of another nation will be totally subjected to that country. And that is why it is very important for the central government, the state government, even the local government to invest in research that has to do with security. That comes to the fact that security of this nation, we all have a role to play. You have a question?
How can we contribute to the security of the country?
Lovely. Security and how do we invest? It boils down to you and I, all of us. You need to be honest. You need to be truthful. You need to speak the truth always, no matter how difficult. You must not aid and abet crime. You must not cover up crime. You must be contented. That is, you must be okay with what you have within your means. You must obey the law, the rules and regulations of a nation. Above all, duty of care. You must care for one another, no matter the situation. It is important in security. Now to the next subtopic, which is insurance. We have security and insurance. Insurance is the bedrock at which every business in a nation rests upon. Without insurance, no business can survive, except by ìlú wa ó rẹwà gan, ìlú tó kún fún oyin àti wàrà ni. But inú mi dùn pé mo tiẹ̀ rí ti pàdé ẹ̀ náà. Inú mi dùn pé mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. And mi mọ̀ bóyá àwọn náà nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Tó bí mo ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́.
I love you. When are you coming to Ghana?
Ghana?
Yeah.
Kò sígbà tí mi ò ní wá. Nígbà tí wọ́n bá ti wá bẹ́ẹ̀ máa wá.
When you come, I'll take you to Accra, Kumasi, everywhere.
Accra, Kumasi.
You will love Ghana.
Yeah. Màá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ mọ bí ìlú yẹn ṣe rí.
Ghana is a very
Nísòro. Má jẹ́ ó lọ gbé ẹ ṣubú. Mi fẹ́ kó lọ ṣubú ni. Èmi náà máa àwọn mi láti wá sí Ghana. Ìgbà tí wọ́n tẹ̀ ti wà ní Ghana. Kí ló dé tí mi ò ní wá? Ti di dandan.
Don't worry. If they come to Ghana, they have fun.
Really?
But we like Nigeria.
Yeah.
Gbogbo nǹkan yín ló fine dáadáa.
Ìlú tó kún fún oyin àti wàrà tó pọ̀ ni. And
Ìyẹn náà ni mo máa ń gbọ́ all the time. Wàrà oyin. But since I've been coming here, I've never seen wàrà or oyin on the road. So where's the wàrà oyin?
Wàrà tóyin tí wọ́n sọ, òun àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n rí tí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ń pa ẹ̀.
Okay, you are the wàrà and the oyin.
Okay, jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí. Èmi ni oyin, ìwọ ni wàrà.
Èmi ni oyin, you are the wàrà.
Tó bá mi jowú.
Metomi fún mi o, Olúwarun.
Yeah. And
Kẹ́tọ̀ mi má dùn mí o, Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn. Bàbá Metomi o. Gbígbà mi sọ mi, gbígbà wo mi ṣe lóore.
We are not moving yet now.
Look at the doors.
Don't.
Bí pọ́njú bá dé, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹ, can you stand it? Oh, 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 oh. Bómi jẹ́ bábọ́jú rẹ̀ kan, can you bear it? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, kífẹ́ rẹ̀ kó pín yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́ o, can you stand it? Má kúrò o.
Madam, what's happening? Okay, let me tell you. So that I'm gonna.
I am not going. I don't understand what you're saying. Is that a question you want to say?
Oh, you don't hear what's me at the talk. We they move now, Accra we they go now. Only one boss will remain with this. No. Where would they go now? We they move now. Where would they go? I beg, no verse, madam.
Excuse me. Hello, Metomi. Okay, you want park? Okay, wait for me. I am not going to Ghana again. I'm not going to Accra again. I want to go with you. I'm coming.
Accra, Ghana.
Metomi.
Èmi nìkan. Abẹ́ ìkúkú sùn kẹ́ máa fi òru wọ Èkó kí Súrájú ṣe yàrá fún yín.
Màmí, ẹ fẹ́ wo mi ì tiẹ̀ ní sáré. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ, a máa lọ. Mo fi dá yín lójú. Ilẹ̀ ò tí ṣú.
Má jẹ́ ó sáré o.
So, ẹ ká ìṣe máa lọ. Màmí, ìṣẹ̀fẹ́ fún yìí. Kẹ̀rí pé ẹ tọ́jú ẹ o. Torí kò yẹ kí owó tí mo fún yín tẹ́lẹ̀ kó ti tán. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí Súrájú mọ̀ bí tẹ́ ń kó sí. Kò jọ bí ẹni kó ń jí owó yín. Ẹ pè yẹn má fi sójú kan. Ẹ ti gbọ́. Kẹ́dẹ̀ máa lo gbin o.
Mo ń lò.
Ẹ máa lo. Màá tún wá wò yín ní ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sígbà táwọn.
Àsọ̀kalẹ̀ àǹfààní. Wo obìnrin ni o. Fine, obìnrin tó fine bí èmi báyìí.
Akọlù gidan bí.
Òde.
Wọ́n bẹ bí àlè tí wọ́n lọ. Baby, let's go.
Jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run fún mi ò mọ̀ òmùkọ́ tó bá ti dé sí mi lára báyìí jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mi ò ní ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mo fi bẹ̀ jọ̀ọ́ má fi mi sílẹ̀ lọ má fi mi sílẹ̀ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀bẹ̀ ni mo bẹ̀ jọ̀ọ́. kẹjọ má fi mí sílẹ̀ lọ jọ mo forí ìyá ẹ̀bẹ̀ mo forí bàbá ẹ̀bẹ̀ ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní jọ má fi mí sílẹ̀ lọ please don't abandon me jọ ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run.
Dele kò sí bó ṣe lè jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi ló máa jẹ́ lọ́jọ́kọ́jọ́. You are still the groom I never had. Just that. No marriage can claim love in the presence of violence and beating. If you kill me with all this beating, one day you might escape justice. Dele, o máa remarry. O máa níyàwó. O máa bí ọmọ. O máa gbé ìgbé ayé àlàáfíà. Èmi á dẹ̀ ti kọjá sọ́run. Nípasẹ̀ àlùpàmákù tó ń fi mí lù lójoojúmọ́. Dele, please let me live. Let me go.
She left me.
Oh no. Oh no, not again. Oh my God. You didn't try the method I told you? I mean, didn't you see it coming?
It was like a reflex action. In fact, faster than a reflex action. Tó bá ti dé sí mi lára báyìí, kí n tó mọ̀ mo ti.
I totally understand you. Let's try this new method and see how it works for you.
Ṣé ń sọ fún mi sin pé kò sẹ́ni tó understand nǹkan tí mò ń go through.
You see, one thing you have to realize is this. It's not everyone that will understand you, like your driver. And that's the reason he's the only domestic staff left with you. Others left you. Something crossed my mind now. Tí ẹ bá ní sọ wípé mo intrude in your private sale. I want to suggest that tẹ́ bá tún rí obìnrin mi, I mean any woman of your choice. She won't let me can perform a kind of therapy on her so that can make you to go deep.
Tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan tó máa solve problem life mi nìyẹn. Mo ready. Anything.
Okay, then if you give me your go ahead, then I believe this one will work out because mi ò ní fẹ́ kí ó tiẹ̀ dé stage abẹ́rẹ́ tí mo sọ fún yín yẹn. Ọlọ́run tẹ̀ ní jẹ́ ni. Take it easy. Please, you'll be fine.
Sir, ládùúrú ìgbìyànjú mi. Ṣé nǹkan tó yẹ kó fi sọ fún mi lélẹ̀? Kí ni wọ́n sọ pé mo ṣe gangan?
Kò ń ṣe pé o ṣe nǹkan kan. Lóòótọ́ ló dẹ̀ ń gbìyànjú. Ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ chairman, the same qualification tó ní lòun náà ní. Tí ìwọ náà dẹ̀ mọ̀. So màmá ṣiṣẹ́ yìí méjèèjì tí company máa fi recover.
It's alright. But to gbọ́ ti yín sir. But àwọn arrears àti outstanding salaries tó wà lẹ̀. Ṣé mo máa dúró gbà ń sìn?
Ní kété tí ara bá ti dé ilé iṣẹ́ yìí, gbogbo yẹn ló máa san sínú àkáǹtì ẹ̀.
Metomi fún mi o, Olúwarun.
ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ wípé mo ti gbìyànjú tó látọ̀dọ̀ landlord mo ti cover yín ó ní ó pọn dandan ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ fi lé sílẹ̀ ni ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ kì í ṣe ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Kíátíkà, mo really appreciate you and honestly mo really appreciate gbogbo endurance but bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ṣe rí situation of things ọmọ kókó wà lọ́wọ́ wa kò síbi tá a fẹ́ lọ kò síṣẹ́ mọ́ lọ́wọ́ mi iṣẹ́ ti bọ́ lọ́wọ́ mi. I don't know bóyá there is something tẹ́lẹ̀ bá wa ṣe sí or bóyá kẹ̀tẹ̀ tó bá mi bá landlord sọ̀rọ̀ kọ́ ní sùúrù díẹ̀ fún mi. Gbogbo ìrọ̀kàn mi ni pé ká ní mo rí owó yẹn gbà owó tán jẹ mí níbi iṣẹ́ wa yẹn pé màá sáré duwá sọ́dọ̀ yín màá san gbogbo owó yẹn láì mọ̀ pé àṣedànù tí àdá ń ṣe fólókò òun lọ̀rọ̀ mi máa padà wá já sí wọn ò sanwó yẹn rárá bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó fà á nìyẹn.
ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ti sọ̀rọ̀ ibi tẹ́ sọ dé ó ti yé mi ibi tẹ́ sọ dé ó ti yé mi but ìwọ̀n tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé bí mo ti ń cover yín lọ́dọ̀ landlord ṣe jẹ́ mọ̀ pé ó mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ lọ fi ilé yìí rent lẹ́yìn mi. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ pet madam ṣe ní nǹkan tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ń sìn ni pé màá wò nǹkan tí mo lè ṣe bí n bá lè bá landlord sọ̀rọ̀ storage tó wà lẹ́yìn kò dé lẹ́yìn bóyá wọ́n lè gbélé fún kẹ́ manage torí ọmọ kókó ló wà lọ́wọ́ yín báyìí sìn kẹtẹ ìríbì kan tẹ lè fi manage tára bá dẹ̀ dẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ wábì kan tó dáa láti gbé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ take it easy ṣe gbọ́.
Pípọ̀jù bá dẹ̀ àhà bó ń bá pọ̀ lápọ̀jù á dàbí pẹ́ ni ó mọ̀ ọ́ ṣe ni. Metomi àtijẹ àti mu wa kọ́lọ́run má máa fi síbi tó nira àmì olúwa mi o òkun bẹ́ẹ̀ lókè bàbá yóò ṣe ìyanu ohun tí mo mọ̀ ni wípé kò dẹ́nìkan kó má má níláyọ̀ wá omijé ń gbó ojú mi kan ó ṣe olúwa gbẹ̀tọ́ mi fún mi omijé ń gbó ojú mi kan olúwa gbẹ̀tọ́ mi can you stand it bí pọ́njú bá dé ṣó lè dúró gírí bí ọkùnrin can you endure it ọ̀rẹ́ mi omijé bàbá.
Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Adeyemi kò sí nǹkan tó bàjẹ́ ní nǹkan tẹ́ sọ̀kalẹ̀ yìí. Of course ọkọ lè wo fóònù ìyàwó ẹ̀ ìyàwó náà dẹ̀ lè wo fóònù ọkọ ẹ̀ provided tí ó bá ti sí ìkùnsínú kankan tẹ́lẹ̀ torí tí irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bá wà ọ̀ tó bá ń wáyé ìyẹn ló máa ń fà kí ọkọ àti ìyàwó máa ṣọ́ra wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ láàrin ilé kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan méjì tí yẹn fà ju ìpínyà lọ ìpínyà dé bá ọkọ àti ìyàwó láàrin ilé nìyẹn tí yìnyín ò dẹ̀ really need kò necessary ẹ wo kò sẹ́ni tó ní àbàwọ́n tiẹ̀ lára o olúkálukú ló mọ bó ṣe ń manage tètè nídìí èyí máa fẹ́ kẹ́ ṣe sùúrù tẹ́ bá fi sùúrù lò kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká gbọ́ láburú.
ẹ ṣé gan madam.
Alright. ẹ ṣé gan. Next please. Thank you. Anuwa, you can't be serious. You want to from the office me? Oh, come off it, babe. How you doing? Good to see you. Look at you. What's wrong? Are you all right? Baoni, how are you? How is your husband? How's your baby? How is everybody? Come on now, talk to me.
Joy, gbogbo ìbéèrè tó ń béèrè náà ni mo ṣe wá rí.
Ṣé kò sí ṣá?
Kimi, we are not fine. Ọkọ mi ò níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. A nílé lórí. Tipátipá la fi ń jẹun. I have to stop breastfeeding my child at 4 months. Torí pé mò ń wáṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́ náà mi ò rí. àwọn ń gbé bí àjèjì nínú flat. Metomi is so depressed. Tomi and you should tell me what. Please, baby. It's okay, baby. My home is cold and bitter. Cause I only know limit. Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry about all this, Anuwa. It really saddens my heart. Because you were calling up one new position by you know me, Odunrara. More so, tí o bá tiẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan tó lè ṣe sí. Nǹkan tó tiẹ̀ wá burú jù ni wípé kí Metomi má lọ máa rò wípé bóyá ogun ló cause gbogbo wàhálà yìí sínú ilé ayé òun. Let's get serious here. I'm not talking to you now like a psychologist. Might be a I'm talking to you as a friend, as my sister. You know, spiritually, from cases to multi-traits in the past, it might be that you guys are not meant to be together. Really? Yes. As in, you guys might not be compatible. Àbí kò tiẹ̀ tún jẹ́ wípé nítorí ogun tí padà sílé láti gbà tá ti parí service wa. These things happen like that mostly if guys are not compatible. Tí irú nǹkan báyìí bá wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, kí ló fi pé èèyàn lè ṣe? This might be very hard, but it might just work out. Maybe you guys need a little space. Yes, space. What I'm trying to say is this. Be like if you know, try something new. Something new, like be with another person. And let's see how it works out. Metomi. We have a lot more. Of course I know. Momo. Only Jerry pay a conjuring money. Who knows? I told me,
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's all right.
Meanwhile, how are you? How's everything? Sure you're okay. All right. Can you have this, please? Banao. Those are my house keys, right? Ilemi, Jeko Jelie. Driver mi wanta. Anywhere to Buffalo, feel free. Walk kitchen, oríṣiríṣi oúnjẹ. Anyone to bá wọn ẹni kò sí. I promise you I'll be back for lunch. Mo need láti sáré dé office. Jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Jọ̀ọ́ má lọ, jọ̀ọ́. má lọ, I'll be back. Màá rí ẹ, ṣùgbọ́n mo ní láti sáré dọ́fíìsì.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. Am I speaking to Anuwa?
Yes, I'm Anuwa.
Okay, my name is Frank Edoho from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Your friend is on the hot seat and would like you to answer a question for him. The question is worth 2 million naira.
2 million naira? The 2 million, is it for all of my... okay,
Well, you have 60 seconds to answer the question.
please, which of my friend? 2 million. Don't, my friend, is the friend name? Okay, any question I will answer. Let me. Oh yeah, go on, please. Oh yeah, quick.
Well, your friend's name is Dele Fagbems, and he would like to know, do you love me?
What? Jeez, God, I'm shy. You got me. Please, when are you coming home?
Of a round of 1 or 2 things. There's this file Gasha just sent to me, so once I get it done with, I'll be home.
It's a job. I need you to get here on time because I'm going home.
So expect me soon. Sure. All right. See ya. Anuwa, how are you?
I'm fine.
Báwo ni?
Who wants to be a millionaire? I'm thinking that was crazy.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to be naughty.
What was that? What was that? Are you okay?
Inú mi.
Are you okay?
I love you. I just want you to know.
Excuse me. I have to go.
Chill now. Cool down. Come on. I like novel, eh? Show man can novels, man.
Yes.
The Bulletin Mara novels, eh?
Novel Village in Ikeja.
Okay. I'm a serious addict too, if you must know.
Same here.
Anyway, Kilosi, let's have lunch. Mo promise pé Timbade would have good time to gist. So
I have to go, please. Excuse me.
Anuwa. But I said I'm sorry.
Metomi fún mi o, Olúwarun, kẹ́tọ̀ mi má dùn mí o. Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn, bàbá Metomi o. Ohun yẹn, kígbà mi sàn mi, kígbà àwọ̀ mi ṣe lóore. Yeah. Nobody, yeah. Can you stand it? Oh yeah. Big Ponju Bade, ọ̀rẹ́ mi, yeah. Can you stand it? Oh. Bomi jẹ́, bábọ́jú rẹ̀ kan, can you bear it? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, kífẹ́ rẹ̀ kó pín yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́ oh. Can you stand it? Má purọ́ ẹ̀wù jọjọ ojú ọjọ́ ń bòyí òye ọjọ́ kò tiẹ̀ darí rẹ̀ wá rárá wẹ́ ìgbà fẹ́ máa gbá ní ìdánù ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ pé ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ orúkọ ọmọ yóò kúrò mọ́ Metomi olúwa Metomi fún mi yèé.
Mi ò lè cope. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, sorry, I just want you to do me that favour. Má jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé mi àti ẹ mọ̀ra. Let alone giving him my whereabouts. Please, it was a risky adventure and I just have to back off. Please. First of all, it's all right, okay? Darling, I don't want you getting worked up for nothing. Oh, neither. Say, I totally understand you. And don't go to fair on your mama. Should go? Don't worry, everything will be fine. I know what I did was not nice, but please, still, it's okay. Okay.
Metomi,
so, what's up now? So, should we go in? Of course, come in.
Metomi madumyo, Metomi fún mi bàbá.
Oh, they like novel, eh? So man can novel, man.
Yes.
You want to marry novels, eh?
Novel Village in Ikeja.
Okay. I'm a serious addict too, if you must know.
Yeah. Can you stand it? Oh yeah. Be you body. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, yeah. Can you stand it? Oh. Bomi jẹ́. Bábọ́jú rẹ̀ kan, can you bear it? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, kífẹ́ rẹ̀ kó pín yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́ o. Can you stand it? Má purọ́ o. Ẹ̀wù jọjọ ojú ọjọ́ ń pòyì òye ọjọ́ kò tiẹ̀ darí rẹ̀ wá rárá wẹ́ ìgbà fẹ́ máa gbá ní ìdánù ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ pé ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ orúkọ ọmọ yóò.
Ta ló rán ẹ sí mi?
Metomi olúwa Metomi fún mi yèé.
Kò sí.
Olúwa
kò sí.
jọ̀wọ́ Metomi yèé.
Ló wá fi ìfẹ́ tàn mí lọ sókè ìgbẹ̀tì láláì láṣọ lára. Ó wá já mi jùlẹ̀ pé káfẹ́fẹ́ máa gbé mi lọ. Àbí ṣé torí pé mo try láti kiss ẹ the other day ló ṣe má punish me now. I'm sorry.
See, Dele.
Okay, all right, okay. Forgive me.
Listen, it has nothing to do with that. Please, my conscience won't let me do this, please. It's all about my conscience.
Conscience. Ṣé mo gbọ́ tó o sọ pé conscience? Mo ti wà níbí fún ọjọ́ mẹ́rin. Ọjọ́ mẹ́rin ni mo ti wà níbí tí mo rò pé mo máa rí ẹ tí mò ń wá ẹ kiri. Fún mi ní fóònù yẹn. O tún change number. Okay. Mo rí pé is so bad. Gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ̀rí ọkàn ẹ tó ń sọ fún ẹ ó ti clear sí mi. No problem. But mo fẹ́ kó mọ nǹkan kan dájú o. Pé tí ó bá jẹ́ ìfẹ́ Ọlọ́run ni pé kí ìwọ àti èmi kájọ wà papọ̀. Ó máa wá mi ní ìwàkúwà tí wọ́n ń wá nǹkan ọbẹ̀. Gba fóònù ẹ. Ọjọ́ méje 7 days ni mo fún ẹ. It's your turn to look for me. Ṣùgbọ́n, it's your turn to look for me. Tó o bá wá mi within 7 days, then máa mọ̀ pé it's over between you and I. As for this phone,
in a time of tribulation, I'll stand by you. Remember your promises. Oh, baby girl, yeah. In time of tribulation, that is when you know true love. Metomi, Sile, Metomi, for me, baby girl.
Metomi.
Baby, why?
Metomi.
Why do you do this to me? Ha.
Metomi, ṣé o fi wípé lílọ tí mi ò lọ sí Ghana látìgbà tá a ti parí youth service wa ó lè jẹ́ ìdí tá a fi ní gbogbo problem mi? Have you even thought about the fact that èmi àti ẹ̀gbọ́n kò yẹ ká jẹ́ ọkọ àti ìyàwó? Ìwọ náà wò ó mọ àwọn èèyàn mi kankan, and this might even be the cause of our problem. I hope you understand.
But I don't understand.
They told me you understand.
I don't.
They told me stop this. You understand. You do.
Stop shouting.
Don't tell me to
bring your voice down. I do. I know.
They told me, please. If you truly love me like you claim, please. Take her from our space. Please, so that you can find time to pull yourself together. Bon, mi ò ní gbé ọmọ wa lọ. Kò má rò bóyá mo fẹ́ sá lọ. And I'll make sure pé mo ń pè time to time, and I would always check up on you. Please.
No.
Just bá mi wá owó kékeré and let me go, please.
No, please. Oh, you know what? I understand the fact that you've tried enough. Oh no, you're going to go through what say won't go through pẹ̀lú mi. You need to consider your son. You need to consider our love. Ìwọ gangan ni ẹ̀mí mi. Ara lásán lèmi. Tí tẹ́mi bá ti kúrò nínú ara. Ó ti di kòròfo ni. I'm going to be empty. Please. You know what? As soon as Tile bá ti mọ̀, màá lọ sọ́dọ̀ tó ti ń ta àwọn ìwé ìròyìn. Gbogbo àwọn offices yẹn ni máa gbìyànjú àti dé. Màá rí pé mo get iṣẹ́. I know we need money. I know everything will be fine. Má fi mí lẹ́jọ́. You are the source of my life. Please, Bojo. You know what? Let's just pretend as if we never discussed this. We are here sorry. It never happens. Just sleep and let's just go sleep. Let's just get sleep.
Love, one thing, yeah. Oh yeah. Bife bamboni, be kumani oh yeah.
You're not gonna leave me.
I love you, baby girl. Oh me jello ju shoulder. Oh Metomi.
Ọ̀rẹ́ wa kí lè ń wá látàárọ̀ ẹ kò débi ẹ kò kí báírò àti pépà mọ́lẹ̀ ẹ kò ń confirmation lórí pépà mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lè dẹ̀ra ẹ kọ̀ọ̀kan látàárọ̀.
Ẹ má bínú ó ní particular information kan tí wọn ló wà ní pépà yìí gangan ni mo ṣe ń kọ jáde. Ẹ má bínú.
Irú information lè ní ẹ ṣe béèrè lọ́wọ́ Google.
Google lè mọ̀.
Google lè mọ̀ Google lè mọ̀ nígbà tẹ́ bá ti lówó airtime ẹ wo bí ọ̀rẹ́ wa òkú fa pamọ́ sẹ́yìn bá sí nígbà tẹ́ ti dé yẹ ẹ ti pè mí sí kọ̀rọ̀ a ti mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ ni wíń wà ẹ kàn gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ ṣáà máa dọ̀ customer mi lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ ṣé gan tí inú àdá ẹ ní rí dáhùn ẹ ṣé.
iṣẹ́ ò máa dà. O bó ṣe ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún ọmọ inú ẹ̀.
Ṣé torí pé wọ́n ta pépà? At least ẹni tójú bá ń pọ́nkún kó yẹ káwọ́ òdìlé bára.
Òun náà ti tàṣejù fún náà.
Kí ló dé tẹ̀yìn náà? Ẹ ti pẹ́ jù. Ẹ wo, ọ̀gá ní àwọn ti gbà wọn táwọn fẹ́ gbà kò sáàyè mọ́.
Bàbá mi ṣàlàyé fún wọn pé tó bá wù ọwọ́ yẹn dáadáa nǹkan tí wọ́n ní àwọn fẹ́ gangan tí mo kà ní newspaper òun ni qualification mi kọ́ wù ọwọ́ wọn dáadáa.
Ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ ti pẹ́ kò wúlò mọ́.
So kò sí nǹkan tá a lè ṣe sí mọ́ báyìí.
Nígbà tí èyí sọ̀gà ẹnu géètì àárín ilé mi wà. Ẹ̀yin bó wà ní báyìí kò yọ nǹkan kan torí tí àyè bá tún wà kí n lè pè yín kàn gbá nọ́mbà yín ni níbo ni.
Ẹ rà sà.
Ẹ rà pẹ̀lẹ́ ní ojú ìrí o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà, mò ń kọjá lọ ni mo wá rí àwọn kúì tí wọ́n ń wọnú sáìtì bíi wọ́n á béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn pé ìgbà wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ bíi wọ́n wá ní bóyá ìní àbí ọ̀la ohun àṣọ mo wá sọ fún pé mo ní interest pé fẹ́ join àwọn tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ bíi àwọn dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kò sí ní ọwọ́ àwọn pé ẹ̀yin lẹ ní àṣẹ lórí ibẹ̀ yẹn.
Iṣẹ́ Libra ló kù o, ṣé o lè ṣe?
Mi lè ṣe sà.
Àmọ́ wá gbọ́ o, 400 naira san per day fún iṣẹ́ Libra mi báyìí o, ṣó tẹ́ ẹ lọ́rùn?
Ó wà okay.
Ok, ó tiẹ̀ ní lọ́kì, ọ̀la làwọn abẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ní ibàyìí, so pàápàá àárọ̀ là.
Time wo ni kí n dé sà?
7 o'clock, àárọ̀ kùtùkùtù àti ti dé ibàyìí. Tó bá nídìí iṣẹ́ 7 o'clock wà á dé ibàyìí. Kí lórúkọ ẹ?
Metomi lórúkọ mi sá.
Ok, alright. Mo expect ẹ ṣá.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Oga, welcome. Your pikin dey there ba? Wallahi madam no good at all. Tunde sa na say gasi I'm coming. Har yanzu wallahi bai so ba. Ibada ma. Gasi yaran.
Mo ní ẹ wá sọ fún lọ.
I don't know. Na ce amumbo. Tunde sa iba. After 4 hours.
She went out 4 o'clock.
Alone, we went out to 4 o'clock.
Oh.
It's not good at all, wallahi. Wallahi, ruwan nasa, ba ci komi ba. Ka jen koko, ominajo.
Omi.
Ominajo, wallahi ka jen koko. Ba, wallahi, madam no good at all.
No verse, eh? Thank you, eh?
Ba dama.
Oh, baby.
Bari in ji labari lórí kuma.
Pípọ̀jù bá dé bó bá pọ̀ lápọ̀jù á dàbí pé ni ó mọ̀ ṣe ni. Àtijẹ àti mu wa kọ́lọ́run má máa fi síbi tó nira. Àmín Olúwa mi o òkun bẹ́ẹ̀ lókè bàbá yóò ṣe ìyanu. Ohun tí mo mọ̀ ni wípé kò dẹ́nìkan kó má ní láyọ̀ wá. Omijé ń gbó ojú mi kan ó ṣe Olúwa gbẹ̀tọ́ mi fún mi. Omijé ń gbó ojú mi kan Olúwa gbẹ̀tọ́ mi. Can you stand it bí pọ́njú bá dé.
Níbo nìyẹn dẹ̀ wá gbọ́ ọmọ lọ́wọ́ sí i wọn lóun ń lọ ọbẹ̀ yẹn ni.
Ẹ wo kó tiẹ̀ gbé lọ.
Àmọ́ ìwà tí Anuwa tó hù yìí kí ló dé wàrà lè má sí lè ní wàrà sì lè wà tó bá dọ̀la.
Mami, nǹkan tí mo ṣe sọ pé abẹ́ta kájọ máa lọ sí Èkó yẹn ni torí àti lè mójútó ọmọ èmi pàápàá gan pẹ̀lú bọ́rọ̀ ilé ayé mi ṣe rí sìn ẹ ṣe ní láti mójútó mi at least kẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ wà ń bẹ̀ ní agbára àti wàá máa fún yín ní owó oúnjẹ bí mo ṣe wá ń fún yín torí kò síṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi báyìí iṣẹ́ tí mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe ń sìn mo nídìí èèyàn tó máa bá mi máa dúró tọmọ torí mi ì tí lówó àti máa fún àwọn máìndà àwọn tó máa ń gbọmọ tọ́ so kò ṣe pé wọ́n mi kì í dà yín láàmú but ẹ̀kan láti ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ni ẹ má bínú.
Ìgbà ayé ló kó ẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ tó fi ṣubú tígbà míì bá dé nǹkan wá dìde. Àmọ́ má gbàgbé ń tá a jọ sọ o wàá gbé mi padà wá sábúlé o ọ̀rọ̀ èmi àti bàbá yín nìyí torí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ sùn.
mo ti mọ̀ yẹn máa ń gbọ́ yẹn dáadáa tẹ́lẹ̀ bọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ ká ti ẹ̀rù yẹn sìn mi ti tọ́jú yín dáadáa tó fẹ́ kí n dà yín láàmú tó bá ṣe bóyá ọ̀rọ̀ orí bó ṣe rí ni owó èyí máa pẹ́ dáadáa èyí máa jẹun ọmọ èmi náà sì máa padà dá. kàtẹ́ ọkọ dẹ́kun náà kí tẹ ọkọ kí n gẹ́ẹ̀tì bí ẹ̀rìn mi padà ẹ má yẹn kẹ́ ṣáà má bínú.
Metomi fún mi o Olúwarun kẹ́tọ̀ mi má dùn mí o Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn bàbá Metomi o ohun yẹn kígbà mi sàn mi kígbà àwọ̀ mi ṣe lóore. Yeah. Baba, yeah. Can you stand it? Oh yeah. Big on you body. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi yeah. Can you stand it? Oh. Bomi yeah. Bábọ́jú rẹ̀ kan can you bear it? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Ìfẹ́ rẹ̀. Kò pín yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́ o.
Mami, ṣé ẹ gbàgbé pé ọ̀túnla ni mo lọ sí Ghana láti lọ wo Anuwa?
Mi ò gbàgbé. Àmọ́ ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó fún ìwà tí Anuwa hù yìí.
Ẹ wò mami, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbà pé èmi ṣẹ̀ òun náà dẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ mí ní orí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ àmọ́ èmi ò ní fìyẹn ṣe èmi náà láti lọ wò kó má dàbí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé látìgbà tó ti lọ yẹn èmi náà tiẹ̀ wà lọ sílùú wọn ní Ghana bí tó lóun ti wá ẹni tó yẹ pé mi ò tẹ̀ tí màá wọn èèyàn ìfẹ́ kan tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ akọ́n láti jẹ́ kó yẹ pé mo ti dáríjì kó wá dúró tọmọ ẹ̀.
Kọ́yún ẹ̀ má tiẹ̀ lè ṣe.
Ọyàn ẹsẹ̀ kẹ̀ ó máa ti tó bí oṣù bíi mẹ́rin àbí mẹ́fà nígbà yẹn tó lóun wáṣẹ́ tó ti gbọ́yàn lẹ́nu ọmọ ní ó lè máa disturb òun tó iṣẹ́ náà kò padà rí but àtìgbà yẹn ló ti fọmọ yẹn lọ́yẹ̀ tó ọyàn òun mi kò sẹ̀ mọ́.
Yorùbá ni mo sọ fún ẹ ó yẹ káàárò ọmọ yẹn máa kó tiẹ̀ ti máa sọ ó ti tó má dáhùn ó ti tó ọkọ mi. Ó yẹ káàárò ọmọ yẹn kó yìí máa sọ kó tiẹ̀ lè mọ̀ wípé òun tó kò burú tó bá débẹ̀ ṣáà bá mi kí sọ pé mi náà miss ẹ̀.
Wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé mi pé láti ìgbà tá a ti parí service kò tí wá sí Ghana èyí tó tiẹ̀ wá burú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò gbẹ́nu mi láti sọ fún wọn pé èmi lọ́kọ ẹ̀ pé èmi ló bímọ fún kó bímọ fún mi.
Níbo ló wá lè gbà lọ? Àná ò kí ń rìnrìn báyìí náà. Ó dẹ̀ sọ wípé kò ń ṣe pé nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ẹ̀yin méjèèjì.
Rárá o, kò sí nǹkan kan. Ó yẹ kí wọn náà lè gbẹ̀rí mi jẹ́. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ àná àbẹ́yàn ṣe ń nífẹ̀ẹ́ obìnrin. Ṣàìdédé ló kọ̀ jíjọ́ kan tó ní òun fẹ́ padà lọ sílé. And before I could say Jack Robinson, ó gbọ́ mọ́lẹ̀ fún mi ó dẹ̀ lọ láti jọ.
Oh. Now I get you. I see. Ó lè jẹ́ wípé ó rò pé òun jẹ́ kóun lọ. Òun ni ò ṣe sọ fún ẹ. But ó possible kó wà ní Ghana, you know?
Sí o. Kò sí bí mo ṣe ní fẹ́ jẹ́ kó tiẹ̀ yé mi. Don't even.
Èmi ò really mọ ibi tí mo fẹ́ wá sí ẹ because if àtọ̀ tí máa fẹ́ wà náà ọ̀dọ̀ náà ni máa wá wá. And anyway, Sherry. Metomi. For me, contact her. As soon as the marriage traces of her, I'll let you know. I don't even mind going to look for her in Ghana. Mo mọ̀ wípé tó bá ti ń gbé pamọ́ fún gbogbo èèyàn. Oh, lè gbé pamọ́ fún mi. Give me your contact. Okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine, yeah?
She's gonna baby.
Ṣọlá bọ́ sí bíbá.
Ẹ̀rọ̀mà.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ o, dádì Moyin. Ṣàlàáfíà ni. Fine boy.
Mo fẹ́ máa lọ sẹ́nu iṣẹ́ mà.
Kò sí wàhálà.
Àdẹ̀dúpẹ́ àná mà.
Olúwa ló ṣe. À ń dúpẹ́ ara ẹni.
Ẹ pẹ́ fún mi mà.
Àmín Jésù.
Ẹ
máa yáṣẹ́ o.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye to daddy. Oh yeah. Say bye bye to daddy. Oh yeah. Jókòó my dear. Mo ń bọ̀. Sọ́ọ̀tì kìíní. It's okay. Fílẹ̀ ẹ máa lọ. Come, don't cry. Má sunkún now. See. Má sunkún. It's okay. Má sunkún. Mọ́mì ń bọ̀, ó ti tó. ìṣojú àwọn tó kù ṣe owó tẹ̀ ń jẹ mí ládìmú ni ó ti pọ̀ jù owó tẹ̀ ń jẹ mí ti pọ̀ jù ẹ wo ara ìyá mi ò yá o ó dẹ̀ yẹ kí n lọ sókè òkun kí n lọ wo ìyá mi kí ló wá dé ẹ sanwó mi fún mi báwo mo ṣe fẹ́ lọ wo ìyá mi báyìí.
kò ṣe pé kò mí kí n san owó yẹn tán wọn bá tọrọ kọ́bọ̀ tí mò ń pa lórí kíní omi kò jọ bí ẹni pé gbogbo oúnjẹ mu ni mo fi ń ra ìgbà mí gan mi kì í rí oúnjẹ jẹ síkùn ara mi òun ló fà
má ní má bínú jàre ó dáa ìjọ wo ló fẹ́ kó wọ́n wá. kíni èwo lẹ́ ń kà yẹn ni mo fẹ́ jókòó tì ẹ wo tọ́lọ́hún ò bá ti yọ̀ǹda owó yẹn fún yín tó bá dọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ èmi gan fúnra mi mo yọ̀ǹda ètè jẹ mí ẹ má gbé mo yín wá sọ́dọ̀ mi rárá ṣe ti gbọ́ ara ẹ̀ náà lára ẹ̀ ibẹ̀ ni màá ti ra bisikíìtì fún tó bá ké ibẹ̀ ni màá ti mú un tí màá kí ló dé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o à ń yí mọ́ ni o tọrọ kọ́bọ̀ èpè ní kíni kí ló dẹ̀ dé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o.
Musa.
Sir?
Wetin happen now? Why you wash my damn car when you no wash my own?
Sir, water no water again. Water no dey again. No. After I don't wash madam car finish, I won't wash this one. Water don't finish. No water for this compound.
I don't forget. Pumping machine don't spoil. And waka dey my leg today. And the guy wey suppose bring the pumping machine self say na later he go bring am. Time to even fix. Okay, no problem. All those Meruwa wey dey sell water, your people, make them fill bathroom for me. Then collect water, make you wash the car. Abeg, because madam go take this one out. Now only this one I fit use. Abeg, then let me know how much you think will cost.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Abeg,
Yes,
do
sir.
quick,
Yes, sir.
Metomi fún mi o Olúwarun kẹ́tọ́ mi má dùn mí o Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn bàbá Metomi o.
Nawa kake sayar da ruwa? Na ce nawa kake sayar da ruwa?
I know you're waiting to talk.
Kai ba Bahaushe bane?
I know be Hausa, I be Yoruba man.
So, now condition make crayfish bend. So that you don't steal other people's job. Anyway, see, we need water. In fact, how much for this water?
15 naira.
50 guinea. 15 naira for everything.
25 naira. It took cost.
Now what for you? No wonder now they get hunchback. See, you don't they get hunchback. See. So you mean say if they no buy na so you go they carry this thing they gallivant.
I get customers.
Okay. We want water for house. Back of this street, you know, far. I beg, see, I need water, my oga need water. You understand? I want to tell you what you're supposed to do. My oga dey hish. He dey vex. He dey squeeze face. But no fear. Now good man. If he asks you how much for the water, tell us say oga anything. You dey understand me? If you want to settle you, you go polish your life, you go better your life. In fact, when you don't finish with you, you go open water factory. I say you go open pure water factory.
You mean it?
No be you. Your one done better.
I make we dey go now.
You no get hunchback, you get more they go. Why go they carry this country for 15 naira? You dey craze? That's when I go they steal people job. Can't they useless for yourself?
Kẹ́tọ́ mi má dùn mí o Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn bàbá Metomi o ohun yẹn kígbà mi sàn mi kígbà àwọ̀ mi ṣe lóore. Metomi fún mi o Olúwarun kẹ́tọ́ mi má dùn mí o Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn bàbá Metomi o ohun yẹn kígbà mi sàn mi kígbà àwọ̀ mi ṣe lóore.
You don't finish? I don't finish. Okay. Wait. Make I go collect your money for you.
Thank
you. I know say you don't have that. Like, man. I dey come, eh?
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹ, can you stand it? Oh. Bómi jẹ́ bábọ́jú rẹ̀ kan, can you bear it? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, kífẹ́ rẹ̀ kó pín yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́ o, can you stand it? Má purọ́ o, ẹ̀wò jọjọ ojú ọjọ́ mọ́ òye ọjọ́.
Count on how much they here.
Kò tiẹ̀ darí rẹ̀ wá rárá wẹ́ ìgbà fẹ́ máa gbá ní ìdánù ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀.
5,000.
5K.
5,000.
It don't butter you.
Who Oga?
Dey inside.
We can go thank am.
No worry, just dey go. This one na small thing if na Oga, na small thing. Next time fit gba 50.
You don't mean it?
Better your life, I'm telling you. No worry, just dey go.
You do better.
Just dey go, no worry.
Aboki, take this.
No, now waiting. It's okay, no worry. Just dey go.
I give you from my heart. Take.
You sure?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
2,000? Ah, 5,000 they give. Why give me 2,000 again?
Don't worry. I appreciate you.
Which kind of person you be? Come. But why you not even think say whether maybe I don't come out something before I give you your own?
No. I don't have to think like that. You forget what you tell me, say, for road. Say, if I enter here, I cannot mention price. So your guy go surprise me. This thing is just 500 naira. And I have 3,000 naira. That's triple, more safe. So I'm okay. You understand? You don't talk and it don't be like that. And that is enough. So you're a good man. I appreciate you.
You're a good man too. You're a good man too. God go bless you, yeah?
Thank you, eh?
God go bless you.
Let me greet Oga Wewelu.
No, tell him.
Anytime we need water, just they call me.
No problem.
You understand?
No problem. Just take them easy, eh?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, eh? I beg, come. I be want ask you, why you be saying that only you they open gate, do driver, no get security?
Bros, you no go understand. You no go understand at all. Shey you know say that time, for outside, I tell you as my oga be, say the vex, the hish. Okay. Now let me if you understand them. You no go fit. You know how many people don't work for this place? All the people who don't work don't go finish. All the people who work for this place, now only me fit remain. Magawa they vex unnecessarily. In fact, small thing, you don't land you slap, you don't land slap. You know they waste time. I'm not be saying they do on purposely. So not be everybody if you understand that, now only me. All this thing be say I don't they get chill like this. Not be saying na food or the now better life. No, now slap they make everything they swallow for my face like this. That's why everybody, plenty people who don't work for this house, they don't feel we stand that. Now only me fit cope with that because I know your situation. I understand them. That's why they feel bear them.
But my problem is this. I no get job. As you talk for us at that time, you say na another person job that they do. Now because work no day. This kind of work na my line for school. Now the thing where I study be that as in for university. Something that has to do with security. I'll be graduate.
Wait too. You mean say you be graduate? Now you can't do this job?
But that one is secondary. Make we put down for one side. What I need is this job. Let me talk to your guy. If you can endure, I will endure him too. It's normal thing for a guy to do like that for apprentice. So not be all a guy they do like that. But when you see your guy they do like that, you go endure them. The kind insult where they get for this job for outside, you know, go reach the one where I go they get where you talk for this place. I beg. See, Aboki, you are my friend now. Please help me.
Only that, bros, you won't understand this situation. Anyway, see, okay, I'll go and talk to Oga now. Okay, but I'm not promising you anything. I'm not assuring you anything, okay? Just relax.
Talk to him. Beg him for me.
All right now. You're a good man. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Metomi fún mi o Olúwarun kẹ́tọ́ mi má dùn mí o Metomi fún mi bàbá yẹn bàbá Metomi o ohun yẹn kígbà mi sàn mi kígbà àwọ̀ mi ṣe lóore. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Can you stand it? Oh yeah. Big on you body. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi yeah. Can you stand it? Oh. Bomi yeah. Bábọ́jú rẹ̀ kan can you bear it? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Ìbá rẹ̀. Kò pín yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́lẹ́yẹ́ oh. Can you stand it? Mapuro ẹ wò jọjọ ojú ọjọ́.